na sebeye nnwuma kese ne adwuma nketwa ne adentemo de no benya na yegina so na wo mo de wo ahyem nso wo benya mfaso wo mu enti Vodafone Ghana wo mo apound annual SME month no ho ntoma Adom kase de achi
Ghana aban eye se de beye amanfo dodo na betimi anya adua
Feed Vodafone Ghana ediatsere enwumeko nketwa ne adantemu ene se wo ye nkyerkyere ediama wo mo efa enkratasam ho afeis wo kyere wo mo kwan yo befa so edi wonjuma ewa abefo ntentan so edidwa ewo ho no mo a ebetere wadwuma nim se adwuma de yi woni invest in Africa ena aka bo mo wo ye se beye na san hyehye yi etimi abamu nti o de 4G plus technology eba ya wonia wonya bi ewo wo phone so betimi abo ma adwuma wo ye wo abefo ntentan so no akonkan director ya wo da enterprise business unit and wholesaler no ewo Vodafone Ghana tower Bolarin no ne Adom kase ya twetwe nkomo ekere sa fi omo wo hyehye pi ema wo customers wo hwekwa se betimi aboa amo adwuma no agina.
This year we have obviously announced 4G plus, which means that our customers literally everywhere can start to enjoy speeds that are more reliable, better than 4G today. We have the devices that we've just launched, which means that for people who don't have smart devices, 4G plus devices, you can move into any one of our stores and you can get devices and pay over time in installments. In addition to that, those devices will also give you 2.5 GB worth of data every single month. We have thought leadership, a lot of information, educational materials, everything that you can use to grow your businesses. We're putting together online resources, insights from a lot of us experts around what you can do. The theme for this year is good to great with Vodafone. We're taking your business from good to great with Vodafone.
And wachi Adom kase any penny power da small and medium scale enterprises are no Vodafone Ghana. Alfred Neza etche enkomo. What it so Ghana for him say one for home dom Vodafone ebusia kase no se be ye obetimi akwa be for 10 times so a wo mrekura.
Afi no hwemu a product edi mu akoten a to needing one business. Na one business no ne botai anase ne fapin pa ne say ye products ufa mobile, ufa broadband, and ufa business online, a website designing for customers and as a small medium enterprises are. Ye the same a nyama miense nyina abum any product bakwa ye daba a markets business being here website. Now websites no so koya e boy e be gel no ni boarding. Na Vodafone Ghana ya hwai hu say ye de ka ye new products here aba dwimu ya e be boa your customers. 4G plus upgrade of 4G na ye wono. Na 4G ni nyina ye speed obetumi dia downloading nyina ma. Nti ye de plus aka ho na je say speed no ekonenim.